Exactly. Only that is the reason, not that. What is the real meaning of Lenovo?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
अरे भाई ऐसा बोलने से कैसे चलेगा?
Sir, actually, I am using a Lenovo laptop, so my PC took that name for it, sir.
अच्छा, this is not your real name.
No, sir.
Hey, you are doing a fraud on us. FCCS, come on, all of us should come and catch you. Huh?
Sorry, sir.
What is your real name?
Sir, it's Arghadip.
என்ன பேரு?
Arghadip.
कहाँ से आ रहे हैं आप?
Sir, I am from Kolkata.
ও কলকাতা থেকে আসছেন আপনি? কেমন আছেন বলুন, ভালো আছেন তো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার ভালো আছি।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। this boy, see.
Sir, I love that you know so many languages.
No.
Yesterday you were speaking Tamil and also
আমি একটু
Malayalam.
বাংলা কথা বলতে পারি। কেন? আমি তো 1975 জলপাইগুড়ি ব্রাঞ্চে ম্যানেজার ছিলাম। When
Very good, sir.
I was 25-year old, at that time I was manager of Jolpaigudi branch. It was a very small branch. I think it was in, I had a total deposit of 6 lakhs only in those days. From that, it went up to some 15, 16 lakhs when I came out. But whatever it is, it was a very small branch. But aajkal to it will be in crores. It will be in crores. Jalpaiguri is nearer to Darjeeling and all that. So
yes, sir, it has been developed very vastly recently.
Very well. Yeah. Now, shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please tell me about yourself, your real name, etc. Come on.
Okay, sir. So thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. I am Arghadip Paradda from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have completed my schooling in Visakhapatnam and pursued my bachelor's in mechanical engineering from University of Engineering and Management, Jaipur. Apart from academics, I have built a project on Formula Car, and I did my internship and vocational training from various companies like IOCL, Indian Railways, BMW, etc. When it comes to my passion, I am passionate about cricket and traveling. And overall, I am a person having strong critical thinking skills and is a good team player.
When did you complete your degree?
Sir, I have completed my degree in 2020.
2020.
Yes, sir.
After that, you are staying in Kolkata or you are in Jaipur?
Sir, I am currently staying in Kolkata after graduating.
Kolkata. Because your parents are there?
Yes, sir.
What is your daddy?
Sir, my father used to serve paramilitary forces, but now he is retired personnel.
Mother?
Sir, my mother is a homemaker.
How many siblings you have?
Sir, I have one sibling, that is my elder brother, and he is working in ICICI Bank.
Oh, so what? Correct. I think this is your second interview, no, with me. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. ICICI Bank. Who is the chairman of ICICI Bank?
Sir, it is Mr. Sandeep Bakshi.
Good. There is a name of a person connected with ICICI, and one of the frauds which is being discussed by us in a few videos of ours. What is the name of that person?
Sir, actually she is Chanda Kochar, and she was the former CEO of ICICI Bank.
This fraud was related to which company?
Sir, it was related to Videocon company, where a whistleblower claimed that the loan sanctioned to the Videocon company, that is 3,250 crores, was influenced by a deal made by Videocon to her husband's company. So that was the scam.
Super. Good. You told nicely. Good. How is Kolkata nowadays?
Sir, nowadays Kolkata is, earlier it was very hot, sir. Now during recently it has been raining due to the squalls and thundering. And now the IPL was going on, so Eden Garden was fully packed nowadays.
Hmm.
But the Kolkata sadly, sir, got eliminated. And
That is okay. Not every team can
Mm.
win. Only one team can win. That's okay.
Yes,
But
sir.
that's right. Now, there is a mention in the newspaper about the nephew or of your chief minister. What is that case about?
Sir, pardon, sir, can you repeat?
Who is your chief minister?
Sir, my chief minister is Srimati Mamata Banerjee.
About her nephew, there is a report in the newspapers about some crime committed by him and all that. What is that?
Sir, I don't know, sir.
Teacher recruitment
Oh,
scam.
sir, teacher recruitment scam. Yes, sir, I know about that.
What is that?
Sir, in 2014, there was a recruitment of teachers, around 42,000 teachers, but the actual recruitment took place in 2016. So recently, it was told that the recruitment was not done fairly, and people have bribed for the posts. So the Supreme Court of that High Court of Kolkata has passed that around 35,000 jobs were taken from them, and they have to rewrite the test. And if they can pass the test with suitable documents available with them, they will be granted back the posts.
So, Abhi kya ho raha hai? What is the position of that case? Are the teachers working or have they been sent out?
Sir, they are now not working, sir. They are on hold, and they have to write a teacher's exam in coming 3 months. But Srimati Mamata Banerjee told that he will challenge the High Court decision in Supreme Court.
Oh, acha. Very good, very good. Accordingly, there only some fine was made on him, and that fine has been waived by Supreme Court recently. Today's newspaper, that news has come.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
I will update myself. Sir.
Why do people commit crime, and how can crimes be avoided by banks?
Sir, major reason for committing crime is that India is a growing country, and there is lot of unemployment and poverty in India. And to tackle that, many people take wrong routes and commit crimes. And to tackle that, uh, uh, we must ensure the security of our banks. So we have to build the parameters such that suspicious activities can be monitored and reported to us.
Correct. Can you elaborate what are the crimes that are committed on banks?
Yes, sir. Sir, there are various crimes, and the most important crime that is the most common crime that is committed is bank robbery, sir, where people's or armed personnel enter the bank and loot the bank. Secondly, nowadays technology is growing,
I think regarding this, a movie has come in Tamil recently. Have you seen that Tunibu? Hindi, आपका हिंदी में भी आया ना क्या? Tunibu.
No, sir.
What is his name? Ajit has acted in that.
Sir, I will definitely watch if it is in dub.
Ajit has. Anybody else has seen that movie Tunibu? Malayalam people must have seen. Malayalam, Rentu Thomas, Aparna, Anju, Meera. Did you not watch that movie Athunibu? Or have you not heard about it? Have you not heard about it? You have seen that?
I haven't heard about it.
Acha, acha, you have not heard. So it's a movie about bank robbery and all. But I also saw that. But you first half only I saw. The last half I could not see. It doesn't matter. Yeah, bank robberies. Next, second type of crime.
Second
Yeah.
is the cyber crimes like phishing, hacking, malware attacks, DDoS attacks, identity theft, etc. Next, sir, money laundering, where people convert their black money into white money. And next comes the willful defaulting, like there was a famous fraud, Vijay Mallya, where he took 10,000 crore loans and willfully defaulted and fled to UK. Also,
Good.
sir, there is another crime that insider fraud, sir, people using their position for their personal gains.
Super. Good. Yeah. What is insider frauds?
Insider frauds is similar to the what I told about ICICI Bank, Chanda Kochar, where she took the benefit of her managerial position for her personal gain. That is
Good. Excellent. What do you know about our FCCS program?
sir. This FCCS program is the federal integrated program. It is a 2-year program where we will be given the opportunity to learn, earn, and gain experience to mold us as a FCCS, that is Financial Crime Compliance Specialist. So first, I will explain about the learning part. So for the learning part, the Federal Bank has partnered with the Manipal Global Education in Bangalore, where the campus will provide us with PGD RNC, that is Postgraduate Diploma Risk and Compliance degree, which comprises of 2 terms. In term 1, we will be learning about the basics of banking, risk and compliance. And in term 2, we will be learning about the advanced part of risk and compliance. Secondly, I will be telling about the earning part, where Federal Bank is giving us fixed term employment, under which we will be provided with stipend of 27,500 with an incentive bonus quarterly if our performance is categorized as grade 1 or grade 2. Also, there is a mandatorily certification that we must undergo, that is a CFCS, that is Certified Financial Crime Specialist, to diverse our skill and knowledge. And finally, there is an opportunity that the Federal Bank can absorb us, provided we are a good conduct, we make our performance in grade 1 and grade 2, and also acquire the CFCS certification.
Good. You are speaking very well in English. How did you develop your communication skill?
Sir, I have developed it by normally in colleges we used to speak in English. So by conversing in English, I have developed the speaking of English, and also I am learning newspaper. So I am learning new vocabulary every day.
Very good. Well, maybe because you studied in Visakhapatnam and also in Jaipur, 2 different
Yes, sir.
places. Achha. That means most part of your studies you have done in outside your West Bengal.
Yes, sir, outside West Bengal, sir.
Yeah, ठीक है. Good. Very nice. Now, what do you think are the problems that the banking industry is facing nowadays?
Sir, nowadays the major problem that the bank is facing is about non-performing assets, that people are taking loans and not paying the loans in time. So that the bank is facing financial instability. The next problem that the bank is facing is the management issues, where for example, they use Finacle software. Suppose the Finacle software crashes, so it disrupts the system. Also, the employees can commit frauds or insider fraud, so it can affect the bank. And this two only I know, sir. Sir, also there is a cyber crimes, the facing cyber crime problems, because they are using now fintechs. So many frauds are committed in cybercrime.
1 minute. Let me ask our chat GPT what it is telling. And maybe it can throw some light on that. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
But this is normally a general question asked in probationary officer interview, but still it can be expected. India problems faced by banking industry. I am not asking about Federal Bank facing. I'm asking generally about.
Sir, I guess, sir, in generally that major problem is about NPA only, sir.
Yeah. Here, the topics that are coming are like this. I'll show you this.
Okay, sir.
The topics that are shown are like this. Number one, non-performing asset. First one, what you said.
Yes.
Second one, capital adequacy. Third one, governance and transparency. Fourth one, digital transformation. As a result of that problem, then financial inclusion, then
Yes.
a regulatory environment. They say while regulation is necessary to maintain stability, protection of excessive regulation is a burden that can hinder innovation and growth of banking industry. Then infrastructure financing. Infrastructure development requires substantial long-term financing, and Indian banks have been facing challenges in financing large-scale infrastructure projects. These projects often involve high levels of risk and require long-term funding, which may strain the balance sheet of banks. But of course, banks like Federal Bank, they may not get involved in this too much on this
Yes, sir. They are dealing with mostly MSME, sir.
MSME, so that they can get the profit within that year itself.
Yes, sir.
That is the idea. Good. That is okay. Fine. Now, next question for you from your this thing at random, whatever comes before my eyes. Why we should choose you?
Sir, I feel I have strong analytical thinking skills so that I can identify risk and mitigate risk and take informed decisions. I give attention to detail so that I can ensure accuracy. Also, I am a good team player so that I can collaborate with my teammates and achieve the teammate goals.
Supposing you are posted in Coimbatore after 2 years.
Yes, sir.
In Tamil Nadu.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. I will be happy to take the posting as I am okay with relocation. As my parent is paramilitary, used to serve paramilitary forces, we were used to the relocation, sir.
How will you deal with people who can talk only in local language?
Sir, I will try to develop to learn the Tamil language to my best. And I will try I will ask help from my colleagues to translate them for me for initial posting.
Substantiate the role of audit and inspection in, say this, crime prevention.
Sir, basically we have to undertake the anti-money laundering. Next, we have to conduct internal risk assessment and reviews. Also, we have to build a prevention system so that bribery and corruption corruption can be countered within the organization and also with the clients group. And we have to build a system to provide us generate alerts. So if any suspicious activity is created, it will throw us alert. So overall, I have to identify risk and mitigate the risk so that regulatory authority will not impose any sanction to our bank.
You know, the question answer I expected here is audit and inspection cannot prevent frauds.
Okay.
Audit and inspection can identify the frauds committed so far, and when we go through the books, we can know whether the institution is following rules and regulations and whether requirements are being followed properly. And if in inspection and audit, we come to know these are not being followed properly, that is an indication of a crime to happen.
Okay.
Maybe
So
this
then,
is how you can substantiate this sound question.
okay, sir.
Otherwise, you answered very well. Best
Okay, sir.
wishes. God bless you. Which date is your interview?
Sir, it's 29, sir.
29th. Acha. All the best.
Okay, sir.
Then please send the questions that they are asking you. That will be
Okay, sir.
helpful. Thank you. You did well.
Yes,
God
sir.
bless you.
Sir, what about my communication feedback and
It's okay. No problem.
okay, sir.
No
Okay.
negative comments. No negative comments. There will be, your interview is going to be in Kolkata only, na?
No, sir. When I asked for the Kolkata, they said the city is filled up, so I have to go to Delhi.
Very bad. Acha, Kolkata, it is there. Some people are having in Kolkata.
Sir, maybe the seat was there
I
initially.
have not heard anybody telling Kolkata. Maybe they are not having
Okay.
in Kolkata. Ho sakta hai, there
Okay.
is nobody. Anyhow, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Next is, I think I have to go to Meera. Meera ji, sorry, you have been with me for a long time.
Don't be sorry, sir. I could learn a lot.
Yeah,